revitalize myself by spending time in nature and getting away from the internet and social media. Try to do something relaxing that you and your friends and family enjoy. I personally like going for a trail ride. Statistics show animals lower our stress levels and can even boost our immune system. You can find many creative ways to spend time in nature. I like to ride on a gondola near my house. It is a great way to admire nature from above, and it's a huge stress reliever. A road trip is a great way to get away from the city and admire the outdoors. This is also a great time to bond with family and friends. It is important to reflect and spend time with yourself. So turn off your phone and experience nature offline. It's pretty incredible. Goodbye, my lovelies, and good luck.